In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or modify multiline styles in AutoCAD. Multiline styles control how multiple parallel lines are drawn together as one object, which is especially useful for things like walls, boundaries, or any set of lines that need consistent spacing and appearance. Getting your style right saves time and keeps your drawings consistent across projects. To begin, type mmlsyl into the command line and press Enter. This opens the Multiline Styles Manager. Right away, you'll see a list of the styles currently available in your drawing along with a small preview. This list is your hub. It shows what you already have, and it's where you'll decide whether to tweak an existing style or create a brand new one. A quick tip here: if you see a default or standard style, it's usually a good idea to leave it as is and either make a copy or start fresh so you always have a fallback. Select a style from the list if you want to update it, then click Modify. If you're building something from scratch, click New to create a new style. When you create a new one, give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially in large projects with many styles. Now you can start customizing. The heart of a multi-line style is its set of elements, those parallel lines that travel together. Each element has an offset value, which controls how far it sits from the center of the multi-line. Positive values place a line on one side, negative values place it on the other. Adjust these offsets to set the total thickness and spacing of your style, such as the inner and outer edges of a wall. For each element, you can choose a line type and color, and, if needed, load a line type from your line type file so your style matches your drawing standards. Assigning distinct line types or colors to different elements can make your style read clearly in both model and plotted views. Look for cap settings to control how the multi-line looks at its start and end. Caps determine whether the ends are squared, angled, or closed off in a particular way, and they make a big difference in how neatly your lines finish at doorways, intersections, or terminations. You can also enable fill if you want a solid hatch-like appearance between elements, which is helpful for showing walls or zones with a clean, shaded look. As you adjust options, keep an eye on the preview to verify spacing, caps, and visual balance. Once everything looks right, your style is ready to use. That's all. Simple, clear, and tailored to your drawing needs.